Okay, everybody, hold this. Shoot this for me. Shoot me. Just.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. It's going now.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Hey, how you doing? So I got my box today from my friend over at Maui Sounds in Hawaii, Forrest Taylor. And what? Hold on. And so I promised I was gonna do an unboxing video. So I don't know what's in here. So I'm finna get something and open it. See. Don't you drop my puppy. What? Walk with me.
Come on.
I'm going. Yeah, so this is all raw and uncut. Yes, sir.
Uh-oh, Daisy gonna turn this way.
Yes.
Hold on.
I'm watching it. Alright, here I go. Oh! Candies.
Can I have some?
Maybe I won't share. Maybe I will. Maybe I might have to.
Do they have almonds in it?
That's what I said. I may have to.
That's all I was asking.
Oh, see. I got some Hawaiian candy. Hold on. Oh. Macadamias? Macadamia? I never had those. See, we got Hawaiian Host. Don't know how to say that. What is this? Oh. Oh. Why we Maui candy bar? This is this is what being nice to people gets you. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? Is onion and garlic.
Ugh.
Oh, you know, don't knock it till you try it. Oh, honey roasted. I'm gonna keep these for myself. Keep those in my pocket. Most definitely gonna put this on my vehicle. Oh, I got some more. One on the vehicle, on the laptop, and the tablet on the back.
What does it say?
Maui Sounds. This is the name of the shop my friend owns. Nice business card. Real nice.
Oh yeah. Is it any almonds though?
No, I don't see any almonds, so it look like you lucked out. Oh, but look like there's a nice little letter in here for me. Oh, I'm gonna have to give me some of these made.
Hey, yeah. And pass them out.
Yep, I got business cards, but you know what? I always seem to find myself without business cards. Okay, let me see. Hey, thanks for everything, Daisy. Glad there's good people like you in the world.
And if it was
your boy
would have been caught by now because you.
Actually, I'm done. Okay.
Really?
All right,
really?